In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade on Steam. By the end, you'll be on the Steam Trade Offers page and have your profile visibility set correctly so you can trade without issues. First, open Steam. Launch the Steam desktop app and let the main window load. You should see the Store, Library, and Community tabs along the top, and your account name in the top right corner. Next, go to Profile, then on Inventory. Move your cursor to the top right, click your profile name, and select Profile from the drop-down. On your profile page, look for Inventory. It's usually listed on the right side under your profile summary. Click Inventory to open it. This is where Steam keeps your in-game items, trading cards, and other tradable content. Give the page a moment to load your items so you can see what's available. If your inventory looks empty or you see a privacy message, don't worry. We'll handle that in a moment. Now, click Trade Offers. On the inventory page, look to the right side for the Trade Offers button. It may read Trade Offers with an ellipsis. Click it. This opens the Trade Offers hub. Here you can view incoming offers, see the offers you've sent, and manage your trading activity. If you're following along in a screen recording, you should now see tabs for received offers, sent offers, and a history section below. From here, all trading actions are managed in one place, so it's the correct destination for starting or reviewing trades. At this point, set your profile to public if needed. If you see a notice that your profile or inventory is private and trading is restricted, you'll need to change your visibility. But setting your profile to public allows other users to view your inventory for trading, which is required for trade offers to work. Open your privacy settings, switch your profile visibility to public, and save your changes. If there's a prompt or a link on the page to adjust privacy, click it to go straight to the correct setting. When you're changing visibility, you're only allowing others to see what you've chosen to share on your profile and inventory. It doesn't expose personal account details. Confirm the setting is saved, then return to the Trade Offers page. The privacy warning should be gone, and your items should be visible for trading. If you still see a private status, double-check the visibility and save again to ensure the change is applied. Once that's done, you are set up for trading on Steam. You've opened Steam, navigated to your profile and inventory, reached the Trade Offers page, and made sure your profile is set to public if it was blocking trades. From here, you can confidently manage trade offers because the visibility requirement is in place and the Trade Offers hub is open and ready. That completes the setup for how to trade on Steam. Everything is now configured and working as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.